The world of web design is on the brink of a revolution, powered by the transformative force of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, but a powerful tool reshaping how websites are designed, developed, and experienced. From automating repetitive tasks to providing intelligent design suggestions, AI is changing the web design landscape, making it more intuitive and efficient. Imagine a world where websites tailor themselves to each visitor's preferences, providing a unique and engaging experience. AI makes this possible. AI-powered design tools can analyze user data such as browsing history and demographics to create personalized web experiences that cater to individual needs and interests. This level of personalization enhances user engagement and satisfaction, leading to increased conversion rates and brand loyalty. By leveraging the power of AI, web designers can create websites that are not only visually appealing, but also highly functional and user-centric. The fusion of creativity and artificial intelligence is ushering in a new era of web design, where the possibilities are limited only by our imagination. The integration of AI in web design extends far beyond aesthetics, profoundly impacting the web design process itself. AI is streamlining workflows, automating tedious tasks, and empowering designers to focus on the creative aspects of their work. AI-powered tools can now generate website layouts, suggest color palettes, and even write code, freeing up designers from time-consuming tasks. This automation significantly reduces the time and effort required to build a website, making it faster and more cost-effective. Designers can now take on more projects, experiment with different design approaches, and deliver exceptional results in shorter time frames. Moreover, AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data provides valuable insights that inform design decisions. By understanding user behavior, preferences, and trends, designers can create websites that are not only visually appealing, but also optimized for user engagement and conversion. AI is transforming the web design process from a linear, time-consuming endeavor into an iterative, data-driven, and highly efficient journey. Content lies at the heart of every successful website, and AI is transforming how content is created, delivered, and consumed. AI-powered tools are empowering web designers to deliver personalized content tailored to individual user preferences, enhancing engagement and fostering deeper connections with audiences. Imagine a website that greets each visitor with content relevant to their interests, based on their past browsing history or demographics. AI makes this a reality. AI algorithms can analyze user data, track engagement metrics, and curate content that resonates with each individual, providing a truly personalized experience. This level of personalization goes beyond simply displaying relevant content. AI can also optimize content for different devices and platforms, ensuring a seamless and engaging experience across all touchpoints. By understanding user behavior and preferences, AI algorithms can personalize content delivery, recommend related articles or products, and even predict future interests, keeping users engaged and coming back for more. As we venture further into the age of AI, the future of web design appears both exciting and filled with potential. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, automate tasks, and personalize experiences opens up a world of possibilities for creating more engaging, accessible, and secure websites. Imagine websites that adapt to different languages and cultural nuances, making online information accessible to a global audience. AI-powered translation tools can break down language barriers, while AI algorithms can analyze cultural preferences to tailor content and design elements, creating a truly inclusive online experience. However, this journey into the future of web design is not without its ethical considerations. As AI becomes more integrated into the web design process, it is crucial to address concerns related to data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the responsible use of this powerful technology. Ensuring transparency in data collection and usage, mitigating biases in AI algorithms, and promoting ethical AI development practices are essential to harnessing the full potential of AI while safeguarding user trust and privacy. The future of web design is bright, powered by the transformative force of AI. By embracing innovation while upholding ethical principles, we can create a future where the web is more engaging, accessible, and empowering for everyone.